Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video review for this Govee light bars. These are really cool. I picked these up to use in my home studio just to kind of add some extra light to videos and to the atmosphere. And I wanted to show you everything you get in the box. Obviously, you get the two Govee light bars. You get a power adapter, and then you have the control module, which has a USB-C connection for the light bars. And then it also has just a regular power adapter there. And then you get a user manual, and then you get these holders here, which are fit to the light bars. And I think, I haven't really looked at this, you can kind of set it up like there. The light bars, I've noticed, don't recess all the way down into the bottom. So there's always a little bit of room, and I think that's for the plugs or cabling. And then you get these mounts for the back. These have a 3M double-sided tape and then a little slot there that you can kind of just put that into the back. Wait, hang on. Just kind of slides right in there, and then you can wall mount these or to pretty much any type of surface this would connect with. So how cool is that? You could have these set up, but then the other nice thing about these is they kind of just set nicely just on their own. Once I would imagine once we get the cable, some of the slack out of the cable. So let's turn them on and take a look and see how they perform, and let's look at all the different colors and features for the Govee light bars. Okay, when you have the connector put in place, you'll get a blue light down here at the bottom showing that the device is powered up. In fact, as soon as you power it up, the lights are going to kick on. They provided a little 3M tape so you could mount this. The other cool thing too is once you have all this connected, you can actually download the app to the Govee app to your smartphone and then control these remotely via your smartphone app as well. But once you turn on the power button, it will give you your primary light or whatever it was on last. And then you can use the center color button to cycle through all the different colors that you have available. And this isn't even at its most highest intensity. This is the music mode button. And so it actually is changing based off my sound, which is kind of cool. If you got a lot of music going on, these are going to change and adjust accordingly. Now, the other thing too is if you're in like a solid, hitting the color button brings you back to your solid color. And then if you want to change the actual brightness, you can actually hold down on the music button and you can see it cycle through the brightness. You can get it to where you want, and then wow, that's really bright. So this is just a really fun design, and look at that, it's already cycling through different patterns. We can go through and choose the different type of music setups that it has, and this is just a fun addition to your home, whether it's for a studio or for entertainment. I'm going to use it to help me assist me in lighting products, using different lights, or actually lighting myself. And I think it's a nice option where you can actually store these. They're incredibly lightweight, and I would imagine a small bag you could use to insert, to carry these if you needed to carry them on the go. But you do have to have plug-in power for these to work. But overall, I'm very pleased with these and how they've worked so far, and I can't wait to get them set up in my studio as kind of like a permanent setup for assisting me with lighting product area reviews, but also lighting myself as well. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up some of these. Thanks so much for watching.